Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the US dollar index for Tuesday, December the 8th. Well, another green-bodied candle today, and that follows the very large volatile green-bodied candle from 2 trading periods ago. And the market is continuing with a fairly strong first time frame uptrend. The body of the candle is green and fairly large, as we've said, and that reflects the strong positive net progress that the bulls have made for the trading day. Now, the market is trading within the cloud or the Kumo, and trading within the cloud or the Kumo is representing a fairly neutral market. If the market trades up above the cloud or the Kumo, then the market has an overall positive bias. If it trades down below the cloud, then it's a negative bias. If it's trading within the cloud, then the market is neutral. So we need to be very careful of any trades that we take while the market is trading within this zone. The market is trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which means that the market is bullish in those 2 time frames. The Tenkan-sen did turn flat, and we know, the Kijun-sen did turn flat, and we know that when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action, and that's exactly what happened here in this case. The market has taken out the Kijun-sen though, which is a bullish signal. But because that breach of the Kijun-sen happened below the cloud or Kumo, it's a fairly weak signal. So depending on your risk appetite, it may not be the type of trade that you would prefer to take, especially when you consider that the market is trading up towards the potential resistance from the cloud or the Kumo. Then it certainly would not have been a trade that most traders would have taken. There is potential for the market to trade up through the cloud or the Kumo, considering that the market has been such a positive bias in the short term, from the short-term dynamics with the bulls being in control and showing strong commitment. There is potential for the market to continue trading up within the cloud or the Kumo, and we need to be prepared for a potential breakout up above the cloud or the Kumo, which will potentially be a signal to go long. Although the market will, if it does trade up there, will interact with a flat top of the Kumo, and any potential breakouts above or below flat Kumos represents it's a signal to be a little bit wary, because they tend to be false breakouts. We don't need to worry about that at the moment. All we need to do is watch how the market will react within this area and be prepared for that in the next week or so if it does happen. The Tenkan-sen is still below the Kijun-sen, which means that the market still has some negative factors that we need to take into consideration, but the Tenkan-sen is trending up towards the Kijun-sen for a potential crossover. If that crossover happens below the cloud or the Kumo, then that's a fairly weak signal as well. So we need to be prepared for that to happen as well. There is potential for that to happen over the next few days if the market does continue to show some positive strength. To the downside, we have the very strong support area at 74.31, which we highlighted previously as a support area, and we had very strong upside price rejection from there. If the market does trade back down to the Kijun-sen, which is at 75.52, then that's potential for support, and we can see that there was upside price rejection from there today and yesterday. If the market does trade down below there, then there's potential support at the Tenkan-sen at 75.27 as well. So we have a market that's in the first time very, very strong. In a larger time frame, though, we have a fairly neutral market, and we have strong potential resistance up above and strong potential support down below.